boy is Ramu? Tall, right? So tall is what? An adjective. One more example. It is a beautiful flower. What kind of flower it is? Beautiful, right? Describing more about the flower. So beautiful is what? Adjective. So what is an adjective? A word that is used to describe a noun or a pronoun is called adjective. Next, order of adjectives. When more than one adjective is used before a noun, then they should put in correct order. When more than one adjective is used before a noun, then they should put in correct orders. So this is the table that will help you to know the order of adjectives. The first is number, next quality, next size, age, shape, next color, origin or material next, then the last is noun. So once more, what is the order of adjectives? Number, quality, size, age, shape, color, origin or material, and then last noun. Okay, this any kind of adjectives you can use before noun, but if there is more than one adjectives, then we have to follow this order. Okay, first should come number. Example, one example you see, one beautiful big old rectangular pink Indian carpet. How it is arranged according to order of adjectives? Number, one. Next, quality. Beautiful comes under quality. Next, size. Big size. Big, small, all comes under size. Next, age. Old, new, young, all comes under age. Next, shape. Rectangular shape. Color, pink. Origin or material, that's Indian. Now, carpet. So, you cannot write beautiful, one, big, old. No, there is an order to write the adjectives before a noun, and this is the order to write the adjectives. One more example, one shiny, small, new, oval, red Maruti car. This is also arranged according to the order of adjectives. Number comes first, one. Next, shiny, that is the quality. Size, small. Age, that is new. Next, shape, oval. Color, red. You cannot write red oval. It should be shape first, then color. Next, origin or material, which that belongs to, or material. Maruti. Last is car, noun. This is how you have to arrange the order of adjectives while you write before a noun. Okay.
Children, we will move on to the TB exercises. Take page number 68. A main. Write in the blanks the adjectives used in the following sentences. Also, circle the noun it belongs to. You have to write in the blanks the adjectives, okay, used in the following sentences, and you have to circle the noun it belongs to. Now, let us see the first one. Raman is a tall boy. What is the noun here? Boy, right? So, circle boy. And what is the adjective here? Tall. So, write tall in this blank. Tall is the adjective. Next, the little girl is riding on the scooter. What is the adjective here? Little, right? So, write in the blank little. The little girl, and the noun belongs to the adjective is girl. So, circle girl. Next, the hippopotamus is a large animal. What kind of animal hippopotamus is? Large, right? This is the adjective. So, write large in the blank. And the noun belongs to adjective is animal. So, circle animal. Next, look at that bird. Look at which bird? That bird. So, that is the adjective here. Write in this blank that, and the noun belongs to is bird. So, circle bird. Next, I have a fantastic idea. The adjective here is fantastic. So, write in this blank fantastic, and the noun belongs to is idea. So, circle idea. Next, Birbal was a wise man. What kind of a man Birbal was? Wise. So, wise is adjective describing about Birbal. So, write wise in this blank, and the noun belongs to is man. So, circle man. Next, there were 30 boys in the class. How many boys were there? 30, right? So that is the adjective. So write 30 in the blank here, and the noun belongs to, the adjective is boys. So circle boys. Next, she had 3 balloons in her hand. How many balloons she had? 3. So that is the adjective describing about the balloons. How many balloons? 3. So write 3 in this blank, and the noun belongs to the adjective is balloons. Circle balloons. Next, Mumbai is a big city. What kind of city Mumbai? Big. That is the adjective. Write in this blank big. Circle city. Next, I love stories about clever animals. Clever is the adjective. Write in this blank clever and circle the noun animals. Next, the beautiful farm had 2 bulls. 2 is the adjective. How many bulls? 2 bulls. So write in this blank 2, and the noun here is bulls. So circle bulls. Next, the dog is a faithful animal. What kind of animal dog is? Faithful. Describing about the dog. So faithful is adjective. Write in this blank faithful, and the noun that belongs to adjective is animal. So circle animal. Next, the book was funny. What kind of book it was? Funny. So funny is the adjective. Write in this blank funny, and the noun here is book. Circle book. Next, the clever boy won the prize. Clever is the adjective. Write here clever, and the noun is boy. Circle boy. So copy this properly without mistakes in your textbook. Next, B main, circle the phrase with the adjectives in correct order. You have to circle the phrase. Few phrases are given. You have to circle the phrases with adjectives in the correct order. We have learned the order of adjectives, right? First should come number, then quality, size, age, shape, color, origin or material, and at the end, noun. Now let us see the phrases. Huge black cat. The next one is black huge cat. So which one is the one having order of adjectives? Black is what? Color. Then huge is what? Size, right? Color first given here, then size. So but what should come first? Size. Then only color can come, right? So here you see the first one, size first, then color, and at the end noun, right? So this is the correct phrase. Okay, so circle this one. Next, second one, cozy red sweater, red cozy sweater. So here also quality first, color, then noun. Here color first given, then cozy, that comes under quality. That is second it had come. So this is wrong. This is the right one. So circle this one. Next, short brown coat, brown short coat. So which is the one correct? Short brown coat. First size, then color, then noun. Here color first, then size. So this is not correct. Next, 2 shiny cars. Here shiny 2 cars. What is the order of adjective? First number, then quality, then noun. Here what had come first? Quality, then number, right? No. So this is the correct answer. Numbers should come first. So this is the correct answer. Next, old pink blanket, pink old blanket. So which one should come first in the order? First age, then color, then noun. Here color had come first, then age. So this is not correct. This is the correct one. So circle this one. Next, thick, heavy stick. Here heavy, thick stick. So thick comes under quality, then size, then noun. So this is the right answer. So circle this one. Next main, tick the correct option and fill in the blanks with correct order of the adjectives. You have to tick the correct option and you have to write here as well. First question, I am going to wear my dash shirt to bed. So we have to find out the correct order of adjectives. Big cotton blue, blue big cotton, or big blue cotton. And the right answer is big blue cotton. First should come what? Big, right? Then size, then color, then origin or material. Okay, so this is the right order of adjectives. So write here big blue cotton. Next, the dash girl did well on the test. Intelligent young, young intelligent. Answer is intelligent young. So write in the blank intelligent young. Quality, then age. Next one, their dog is a dash shepherd. First option, brown big German. Next, big brown German. Next, German big brown. The correct order of adjective is big brown German. First, size, then color, then origin or material. So this is the right order of adjective. Next, I love eating dash strawberries. Red big or big red. The right answer is big red. So put a tick and write in this blank. Next, he is a dash man. Tall, thin, thin, tall. The right answer is thin, tall. He is a thin, tall man. Next, my uncle bought a dash car. Maruti small red, Maruti red small. Next, small red Maruti. And the right answer is small red Maruti. First size, then color, then origin or material. So this is the right option. Put a tick here and write in this blank. Next, the dash dog was eating his food. Black furry, furry black. The right answer is furry black. First quality, then color. Put a tick for furry black and write in this blank furry black. Last one, the dash man introduced himself to me. Young handsome or handsome young. The right answer is handsome young. First quality, then age. So handsome young. The handsome young man introduced himself to me. So these are the order of adjectives. All of you copy this properly in your textbook, children. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the interactive session. Thank you.